Mercedes Vision A VTR. This neon-lit chrome egg is the Mercedes-Benz Vision A VTR, a concept car first revealed at CES 2020 as a tie-in with the Avatar franchise that has been trotted out to a handful of auto shows and events since. With the sequel finally upon us nearly 3 years later, Mercedes got together with the film's producers to showcase the car again, this time to a handful of journalists as part of promotion for the new movie. Before interacting with the car, we sat down in the Lightstorm private screening room's plush recliners to hop on a Zoom call with Gordon Wagener, who has been Chief Design Officer of Mercedes-Benz, and John Landau, the Oscar-winning producer of Titanic and the Avatar movies. Sadly, we weren't provided with any popcorn, but Landau and Wagener discussed how this strange partnership came to be and why it actually makes sense for both brands. The project first started in 2018, about a year after the start of production on The Way of Water. Mercedes automotive designers worked with the production designers, creating Pandora's creatures, environments, sets, and effects, with both teams visiting each other's studios in Germany and California. Mercedes saw thousands of designs from Weta FX, which is doing all of the visual effects work for the new movie, and Landau describes it as a very iterative process. Wagener and Landau joke about how a car's design is frozen years before its release, but a movie isn't done until the night of the premiere. So Mercedes got to witness many stages of the film's production. The Air Car. The future of transportation has arrived with the Air Car, a groundbreaking dual-mode car-aircraft vehicle that is set to revolutionize mid-distance travel. This innovative marvel can seamlessly transition between being driven on roads like a regular car and taking flight like a small aircraft. Equipped with an automated transformation system, the Air Car can effortlessly deploy and retract its wings and tail, enabling a smooth transition between road vehicle and air vehicle modes. A major milestone in the development of the Air Car was the issuance of an official certificate of airworthiness by the Slovak Transport Authority. This certification was granted after the completion of 70 hours of rigorous flight testing, affirming the vehicle's safety and reliability. During these tests, the Air Car showcased astonishing static and dynamic stability in aircraft mode, ensuring a secure and pleasant flying experience. Renault float. Renault has always been one of those automotive manufacturers willing to push the boundaries of what most would consider a car when it comes to their concepts. The brand reached out to the MA Industrial Design students of Central St. Martin's UL, University of the Arts London, with a simple brief about dreaming up their vision for the future of mobility. The float, designed by Joachim Kai, means Renault's future could be in modular bubble pods. Born and raised in Shanghai, the designer focused on a modular design, featuring peanut-shaped bubble pods that can connect multiple ways depending on need. As opposed to the traditional propulsion system that involves power passed to the wheels, the float uses maglev technology similar to bullet trains to move. Yunshan Kai's The Float beat out both Stephanie Chan Lu's Flow and Tuna Yenisi's View concepts for top honors. Hill HX50. British aviation company Hill has unveiled the Hill HX50, touted as the world's first fully private helicopter. Unlike helicopters designed for fleet operators, the HX50 is specifically crafted for private owners seeking a personalized flying experience. Each owner is invited to Hill's UK factory, where they collaborate with a team of engineers to build their dream helicopter, with the option to assemble up to 51% of the aircraft under professional supervision. The HX50 combines customization with impressive performance. It features a 3-blade rotor system and a powerful in-house GT50 turboshaft engine, delivering 400 up, a cruise speed of 161 miles per hour, and a range of up to 806 miles. The sleek and futuristic fuselage can be finished in various vibrant colors, while the 5-person cabin boasts plush leather interiors and panoramic windows. The digital cockpit includes two 15-inch glass instrument panels and an iPad catering to recreational pilots. Pricing for the HX50 starts at around $648,000, with costs increasing based on customization choices. Production is scheduled to begin in 2023, and delivery times will depend on the order date. Hill offers a configurator tool for prospective buyers to design their own HX50 and receive a rough price estimate. A deposit is required to confirm orders, providing the opportunity to earn a personalized private helicopter. The Hill HX50 is set to redefine luxury air travel with its emphasis on customization, performance, and Hyundai Trailer Drone. The e-bogie takes its name and inspiration from bogies, the two axle subframes that a train car rides atop at either end. More shipping robot than truck, the e-bogie is essentially an autonomous electric chassis powered by a hydrogen fuel cell. The e-bogie can pull off impressive maneuvers like turning in place and diagonal crab walk, driving thanks to its 4-wheel independent steering. Its beefy, low-profile design allows it to carry a small shipping container or other load. Things get interesting when multiple e-bogies work together in cluster mode. Place a pair of e-bogies on a full-size semi-trailer, one at each end, and you have what Hyundai calls a trailer drone, an autonomous trailer that can pilot itself around shipping yards, on highways, and even in urban centers. Thanks to the dual independent steering at both ends, Hyundai envisions that large trailers can be expertly navigated around tight bends and small roundabouts with ease. Mechanically, either e-bogie can be the front or rear of the trailer drone, but the trailer itself houses some of the sensors to aid in highway autonomous driving, with the front and trailing panels aiding high-speed aerodynamics. It is EG1. The company has already designed an eVTOL multicopter, eVTOL winged aircraft and tilt-wing eVTOL passenger aircraft. The company's main objectives is to provide clean, safe, fast and comfortable urban air travel. The founding team member of Zero Gravity has said, "The aircraft is globe-shaped and has excellent left, right and forward views for the pilot and passenger." The globe-shaped fuselage was designed to capture the imagination and attention of the commuter public to try to make the aircraft fun to ride and enticing to fly. There are 2 doors on the multicopter, making it easy to enter and exit the aircraft. The aircraft is very small and can land almost anywhere in a parking lot, rooftop or grassy area. The aircraft has fixed skid landing gear, increasing the simplicity and reliability of the aircraft and reducing manufacturing cost, maintenance cost and weight of the aircraft. The fixed skid landing gear also allow the aircraft to land on almost any surface. BMW Motorrad Vision Next 100. If BMW is right, motorcycles in the distant future will look like the of a Terminator T1000 and a Rocom Trailbreaker. Or maybe not. The newly unveiled Vision Next 100 concept from BMW's Motorrad motorcycle department isn't meant to be a prediction as much as a daydream about what might be coming in the generations after the next generation of products. Think composite elastic frames that eliminate the suspension and steering fork, self-balancing gyroscopes, augmented reality visors, and enough artificial intelligence in the safety systems that helmets won't even be necessary. as we said, a daydream. One of a handful of automakers that also produces motorcycles, BMW has incorporated its Motorrad division into a grand styling exercise called BMW Vision Next 100, a traveling roadshow headed to cities and auto shows and open to the public, in which all of the Munich automakers' brands present concepts that push the boundaries on styling and technology for the next century of motoring. The BMW, Rolls-Royce, and Mini concepts were previously shown in March, May, and June. Motorrad closed the loop this week in Santa Monica, California, with this butch-looking two-wheeler dubbed the Great Escape. Willy Bus. Anyone that's been to Las Vegas and caught a glimpse of the Hot Babes billboard circling around the city knows that vehicle advertising can be effective, at least at grabbing your attention. A new bus concept by designer Tab Olarski envisions bus schedule and route information, advertising, movie trailers, weather updates, tourism information, and more being displayed on the screens at any given moment. The displays can continually be updated to serve different information and advertising as needed. Olarski even mentions the possibility of incorporating touchscreen functions. Most of the video and renderings show the Willy functioning as one large coordinated display, but the sketch below shows it operating multiple displays. One section of the bus shows stop information while the other has advertising.